Years ago, I was at my very good friend's parents' house. He and I and his parents and a few of his siblings were sitting around the dining room table. We were talking about cars and our jobs and our dreams. Our whole lives lay ahead of us. His parents went off to bed first, and then his siblings withdrew to various parts of the house. Eventually, it was just me and Damien. And then Damien asked me a question. Mike, what makes you most happy? This was a question I had never considered. I ruminated on it for minutes. Several responses crossed my mind, but I have to admit I was fumbling for an answer. After the third or fourth attempt at a personally satisfying response, Damien finally cut me off. He said, Mike, I'm pretty sure I know what your answer is, even though you haven't hit on it yet. And your answer is the same as my answer. The answer to the question, what makes us most happy, is relationships. Good relationships. And I instantly agreed. That was the true answer. That conversation happened 30 years ago. I have considered and reconsidered this question many times over the course of my life, and indeed, the answer has not changed. The backbone of my life's happiness is in the having and the maintaining of good relationships with my friends, with my parents and siblings, with my in-laws, with my children, and above all, far above all, is in the loving relationship that I create and carry on with my wife. I met her online. Hi, my name is Mike Vernon, and the most important relationship that I have in my life, the thing that makes me most happy, started on an online dating website. This is the first of two things that I want you to know. If having a deep, meaningful, loving relationship with your eventual lover would make you most happy in this world, and you intend to start this relationship via online dating, then I want you to know it's possible. I have an amazing wife, and we love each other to pieces. And that's what I want you to have as well. Now, this is when you've got to listen to me. If you want that deep, meaningful, loving relationship with your eventual lover that you will meet online, how are you going about it? How are you laying that foundation? Or in other words, how well have you crafted your online dating profile? Is it thoughtful and accurate and interesting? And how engaging are your written messages? Are they thoughtful? Are they accurate? And are they interesting? This is the second thing that I want you to know. Finding the partner of your dreams online starts with creating an amazing profile. Your profile matters a lot. It matters in many obvious and subtle ways. And your messaging methods matter too. The way that you initiate and carry on a conversation with those that you desire to date matters in deep and meaningful ways. That's what this channel is all about. Online dating. Doing online dating well, finding the partner of your dreams, and laying the foundation for a happy, loving, lifelong relationship. Hey, if you want to skip ahead and get everything that I know about how to find your lifelong lover via online dating, then click on the link in the description below. That link will take you to a website where you can purchase my ebooks on how to create your amazing online dating profile and how to start and carry on amazing written conversations. Also, if you want to consult with me personally, you can arrange to do that there too. I'm looking forward to talking to you.